So hello learners, today we are gonna learn how to convert Word document to PDF without any internet or an online converter. So first what you have to do, just open any Word document and let this and let do little formatting so that we can mm, see the same format in the PDF file. Okay, so here also little bigger. Let's so this is the Word document, and now we will convert it into PDF. So for that we will go to the file and click on the save as. When you will click on the save as, choose a location where you want to save. Okay, I will choose desktop, and then you have to change the name. Just I will add PDF. Then the most important thing, the save as type. Okay, save as type. Which type? So we want to save it as a PDF, so we will choose PDF and standard PDF. Okay, then we will choose, click on the save button. As we clicked on the save button, it will save it in a PDF format. Let open it and see. Now it is in a PDF. So in this way you can convert your Word document to a PDF. This is very simple. You don't need any online converter or that. You just have to change it in a save as type. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thanks.